What's up, guys? My name is Ashton. I'm a photographer out of the great state of Georgia, and today I have a little bit of a different video. I got my first collaboration opportunity with a brand called Weffert. They are a smart shades brand, and they have blessed me with the opportunity to be a collaborator with them. So I'm super excited for this opportunity. Thank you, Weffert, for giving me this opportunity to collaborate with you guys. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing, show you guys the product, how it works, how long it takes to install. It's super user-friendly, really slick. It fits perfectly into my room setup, and it integrates perfectly with my Amazon Alexa, stuff like that. So whenever I walk into my studio room, I can just say, Alexa, all devices on. It will turn everything on for me. So I'm super excited to show you guys. Let's get right into it. Everything came very well packaged and very well put together, so it made it super easy to quickly get everything out of the box and begin assembling the shades. In the box, you obviously get the shade itself, as well as a nicely designed Weffert booklet that contains some of the guides to get everything set up. It also comes with a piece of paper that helps you line up the screw holes before you start drilling. It also comes with their really high quality remote control for the shades, as well as their super high quality USB-C cables to charge the shades. And lastly, it also comes with the screws for the brackets. Here is the quick start guide, the remote programming guide, and the quick installation guide. It also comes with a Matter guide to help you set up the voice integration with Alexa or whatever you might be using. Here is what my old set of blinds looked like. Just classic white, very boring. Honestly, getting worn out, starting to get old. So this is right after I removed the old blinds, and I did end up setting one of the brackets up just to see how it works. This is what one of the brackets looks like after drilling one of the screws into the holes that you have marked out. This is the shade itself when it's unwrapped. Super clean look, super modern look, fits in perfectly with my studio. Here is a clip of me installing the left bracket for the right part of the window, and honestly, it's a lot easier than I make it look. I just tend to make things look a lot harder than they have to be. Now, fully installing these shades from start to finish actually takes under 5.5 minutes once you know what to do after reading the instructions. It is super cleanly put together, super well thought out by Weffert, and they did a great job at explaining the instructions, and they are super user-friendly and easy and quick to set up. Once you have the brackets drilled into their positions, literally all you do is take the shade and snap it on. It is super quick and easy. This is what the shades look like after they are completely set up and snapped into their positions. Once again, super clean looking, fits perfectly in with my studio room. This is the remote control that comes in the box. It is used to control the shades up, down, and you can also stop it in the middle if you want to. You can also use the remote to set two different height limits, the highest height limit and the lowest height limit. Here you can see me setting the lowest height limit by holding the down and middle buttons for 5 seconds till the motor jogs once. Then you can begin lowering the shade to the height that you want it at, and once you are at the height that you want it at, you'll stop it with the middle button, and then you will once again hold the lower button and the middle button, and the motor will jog twice to confirm your setting. Here I'm just doing the opposite. I'm setting the highest height limit, so I will once again be holding the upper button and the middle button to confirm that I want to change the height. Then I will raise it to the height that I want it to stop at, and I will once again hold the upper button and the middle button to confirm the height that I want it to stay at. Now here you see a little button. All you have to do is push that in for 2 seconds and the motors will wake up. This is a quick clip showing what both of the shades look like whenever they are moving down at the same time. Here is an example of what it looks like to walk into my studio room and to tell Alexa to turn on all of my devices as well as lower the shades all the way. I also do have a direct link that does earn me a commission off of purchases made through that link. So if you guys would like to purchase some of their shades, definitely feel free to go and check them out using the link in my description, and that will help support my channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys have any other video recommendations, please leave them down in the comments, and feel free to like and subscribe to help support the channel. And I hope that you guys all have a good one.